Attractive Cure Twist is ready to use. Pre-lubricated with gel for a fast, comfortable, convenient cathing experience. The unique shape and small size of the Cure Twist is similar to the design of a cosmetic item, so it is an ideal choice for women who value discretion and portability. With clean hands, remove the easy twist-off cap. The pre-lubricated Cure Twist catheter tip features smooth, polished eyelets for comfort. This magnified image shows an eyelet on a Cure medical catheter compared to eyelets on 2 other national brands. The difference in eyelet quality is clearly seen, and it can be felt. The gel lubricant in the Cure Twist does not drip, enabling clean, confident use. Gently insert the pre-lubricated catheter into the body until urine begins to flow. When the bladder is empty, simply remove and dispose of the catheter. For your convenience, the Cure Twist is available as a single and as a kit with insertion supplies. The portfolio of Cure Medical intermittent catheters includes traditional and innovative styles of exceptional quality and value for men, women, and children. They always feature smooth, polished eyelets and are not made with potentially harmful chemicals such as DEHP, DINP, BPA, or natural rubber latex. Request product samples today.